Hello, fellas and fellettes. You're watching Yadkin Valley Outdoors. My name's Jason. Let me show you what we got going on. We'll spin you around here and show you what we're doing. Alright, we're back on the big building project. Got the jib on the loader here to get enough height to set them posts. We got two corners set. We're just getting started here. A lot of material right there. 20-foot post. Man basket on the Kubota. We are in the process of putting up posts, getting this thing started good. Stay tuned, there'll be more. Alright guys, we're working on this building project down here. Show you how we're setting these. I got the jib, I made that jib out of a 6-inch square tubing. Fastened on some old truck U-bolts, welded them in, bolted them in where there's no way they'll ever come out. But anyway, that's way up there. That's a 20-foot post. Thank goodness for this little baby, because it helps. But anyway, that's what we're doing.
You have me straight in there every fucking time.
We're slowly getting there. It's gonna be a nice building. Alright guys, the process continues. You see he's in the man basket helping hold that post. We're setting them in them brackets right there, bolting them in, and we're rolling. As you see, we only like a few more. We're gonna start putting up headers, getting ready for trusses. Yay, that's gonna be great. Anyway, I don't know how much I'll get you of the trusses. Alright guys, we got the post set. Well, and when I say we got the post set, there are, you see this whole, what I'm calling the back wall, because they're calling the other end the front. The whole back wall we left out on purpose so we can get in once we get the headers up. Let me take you right over here and show you these massive trusses we've got. We gotta have room to drive in and set those, because we're gonna do it with a lull, not a crane. So right there are the trusses. Now, when I say we, me and those two fellas down there are not going to set the trusses. We might be a part of it, but the man we bought this kit from is going to come in with his crew, because he's got a big crew of about 7 or 8. He's going to set these trusses, put the insulation up, and the metal. And I hope to, if I'm not so busy on another job, I'll get you some footage of that. But that's where we're at on this project. We're getting there. I'll get you some more footage as we get the headers up. Big, massive farm building is basically what this is. It's gonna be really nice too. 18 foot tall. I know that seems like really tall, but I mean, to get big stuff under it, that's what it's taking. Well guys, we're down here on the building project, and we've brought in the big guns. Hopefully gonna start setting trusses tomorrow. You should see this sometime today, because I have no service down here as I'm filming. And that blue scissor lift, the cat, and the orange scissor lift belongs to the man we got the kit from. He is gonna help us get the roof structure up with his machinery. And we got this one running and got started, and it ain't got no gas in it. So now we're going for gas. Life and times here in the Yadkin Valley, it is always something. Stay tuned, I'll have you some footage on this build. Alright guys, as you see, we've got this thing braced up, majorly braced up. And the guys are here getting ready to set the first truss. Lifting it right now. That's where I'm standing right here. We're calling this the back wall. That is the front wall, because it overlooks a pond down there that you can't see. That first cable truss right there. He'll either set that one to the side and grab the next one, because they're both on top, or he'll set that one. I'm not sure yet. We decided there wasn't enough of us to set this roof, so we got the guy that we bought the kit from to help us with that. foot out of the ground. Took a lot of bracing to get all that perfectly straight so they could set these trusses. Stay tuned, guys. I'll try to get you some more. I know this camera is not really doing that justice, but like I said, that's a 50-foot span right there. That's a big truss. It's not super heavy, especially for that big lull right there. Well, generic name, that's a Caterpillar. It's way up there at the moment. Like starting any project, that first truss is going to be a little bit of a pain in the butt. And it's got to go way high up, as you see. They're going to get it, no problem. Poor guy on the ladder over there, I'd much rather be in this lift. I'm a big fella, I don't like ladders. Truss is coming along here, and I'm not going to bore you with this whole entire truss setup, just getting you a good visual of what we got going on. I'll get some more footage as these guys get along further. And I'm on what we're calling the front side, and I'll spin you around and see. Yeah, you can't see it too good, but there's a pond right down there. And the first 30 foot of this is a shop slash home, so barn dominium. First 30 foot on this end is going to be home. So 50 by 30, and then 50 by 70 will be shop behind what we're calling the front of this building. These guys got it going on. I'm thankful to have them here helping us. They get this roof set, like I said, insulated, the sheeting on it. We'll continue on with this project. Alright guys, as I said, I wasn't going to bore you with setting all those trusses, but look what we've got. The next step is insulating it and putting the roof metal on. It's going to be nice, guys. That's going to be a super nice building. And we've got a lot more work to do before it's done, that's for sure. But I just wanted to get you an up to this point, I guess, video. And I'll be making more videos after this. I just wanted to get you, as we go along, I get you to this point. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.